my electric field is varying in this way, okay, it is varying in this way, my electric field is varying in this way, it's very clearly on the line, it is simply a line. So then what is the mathematical definition? Suppose if my electric field value is cos omega t minus beta z, cos omega t minus beta z, it is very clear this is function of time. Once if you relax space parameter, can you relax space parameter here, anybody? When you are varying time, can you relax space parameter z, or z also you should vary? Anybody? What is the answer for this?
To be vary.
Z also we can vary.
Yes, sir.
What about others? See, Z also you are vary means you have not understood this definition. See, what is the definition is saying? You have to vary the time. Z has to be constant because I am standing in a particular place. Okay, I am standing in a particular place where Z is constant. See, I am standing here. I am standing here means my Z is constant. I am not moving. My Z is constant. Okay, Z should not be varied. Z is constant. That's why you can relax Z parameter. Once if you relax Z parameter, Z, as you vary the time very clearly, the electric field also very vary. But what is the direction of this one? Simply I am mentioning the direction of this one is a 45 degree. Okay, you know what is 45 degree direction. This is the 45 degree direction with respect to ground. Okay, it's okay. It can be at any degree, no problem. But finally, this is the example for linear polarization. Example for linear polarization. Okay, suppose for example, if my locus goes like this, in this way, okay, in this way, for example, say this is the direction of x cap, this is the direction of x cap, then electric field is equal to cos omega t minus beta z ax cap. So whenever you see this term very clearly, the electric field is going in only one direction. So that's why, and again you should know this direction is horizontal to the ground or perpendicular to the ground. Now in this case I have drawn in a way that is horizontal to the ground. This is the example for horizontal polarization. This is the example for horizontal polarization. Or otherwise, if the electric field goes in this way, okay, very clearly this is vertical polarization. Vertical polarization, then electric field nature will be, for example, let me take this is y cap. Okay, and then electric field is equal to cos omega t minus beta z ay cap. This is vertical polarization. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the circular polarization. Okay, circular polarization. Okay, circular polarization. This is the example. Once if the electric field is something like this, cos omega t minus beta z ax cap and sine omega t minus beta z ay cap. Okay, so what is this direction, sir? Can anybody tell me? Once if you have xy plane, your electric field, generally electric field will be any one of the direction, but as the time progress it may vary also, it may rotate. Okay, it may rotate. Now we'll see how it is rotating. Now we'll see how it is rotating. Is this valid combination or not? Anybody? Electric field naale only x la illana y la dhaan irukanuma, or it can be anywhere on the xy plane? No idea. Electric field and magnetic field can be anywhere on the xy plane. Please note down. Whenever the wave is progressing in a z direction, very clearly this is minus beta z. That means what? The wave is progressing in a z direction, positive z direction. Whenever wave is progressing in a positive z direction, my electric field can be anywhere on the xy plane. My electric field can be anywhere on the xy plane. Similarly, my magnetic field also can be anywhere on the xy plane. But always electric field and magnetic field is perpendicular to each other. Electric field and magnetic field is perpendicular to each other. Okay, every day you have to revise the notes, otherwise you will not know anything finally. Okay, so now I relax the space parameter z. Okay, I vary the time. Okay, so I take omega t is equal to 0 because omega is there. That's why omega t I am taking. It's okay. Omega, anyway, omega is constant. Okay, so omega t is 0. Then what happens? What happens when omega t is 0? I am relaxing this one. You don't worry about beta z and all. When omega t is 0, what is cos omega t? Anybody? Then what will happen when omega t is equal to pi by x? What will happen when omega t is equal to pi by 4? What will happen when omega t is equal to pi by 3? What will happen when omega t is equal to pi by 2? Yes? Anybody? All are muted. Yes, Karthi, they are all muted or not? What? They can speak now. What is the value of cos omega t if omega t is 0?
1, sir.
The magnitude 1
1.
always.
Yes, magnitude 1. Okay, so here it will become 0. Here pi by 6 I am substituting. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. So root 3 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Here 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. Here 0 and 1. Here 0 and 1. Now somebody tell me, if I am plotting this in the XY graph, if I want to plot this one in the XY graph, say this is my XY graph, this is Y axis and this is X axis. Somebody tell me when t is equal to 0, what is my point value when t is equal to 0? That is 1, 0. Okay, very clearly this is X axis. X is 1, Y is 0. So I am standing here when t is equal to 0. What happens when t is equal to omega t is equal to pi by 2? X is 0, Y is 1. So I am going here. Okay, from here I am going here. And again you substitute this remaining value. Definitely it will come here only. You substitute the remaining values. Okay. So when the time progress, okay, when t is 0, I am here. When omega t is pi by 2, at some time I am going here. Okay, this is omega t is equal to pi by 2. When omega t is equal to pi by 2, again, if omega is given, you can calculate what is t, no problem. Okay, as the time progress, you are going in this way. Then once if you increase this one, once if you move in the same manner, finally you will go and reach here. Okay, when your cycle sine theta or cos, if it completes one cycle, definitely this will also complete one cycle. Okay, every time period t, once if you know omega, you know what is t. Okay, every time period t, then this will be rotating. Okay, this will be rotating. Every one time period, this will make one rotation. Okay, it's keep on rotating. So this is what direction, sir? Anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. So circular. Once if it is anti-clockwise and circular, what is this one? Right hand circular polarization or left hand circular polarization? Huh? Once if it is
Right-hand
anti-clockwise, yes, right hand circular polarization. Now I am asking you one question. Okay, this is x. This is my axis x. This is my axis y. This is the rotation of polarization, rotation of electric field. You keep your right hand. Okay, you keep your right hand and you go from x to y. You curl your finger in such a way you are going from x to y. Yes, sir. Now your thumb will denote in which direction, sir? Your thumb will denote which direction? See, if this is x, this is y, where will be the z? It will be going inside the board or it will be coming outside the board. Anybody? If this is x,
outside the board.
this is y, what will be? It will be coming very clearly, that will be coming outside the board. okay, that will be coming outside the board,